Bapak Farel, selamat siang.
Siang.
Jadi setelah beberapa pertanyaan dan hasil tes fisik yang kami lakukan, kami diagnosis Bapak Farel mengidap sakit kanker kolon.
Kanker kolon, Pak?
Ya, Bapak tenang dulu, Pak. Jadi kami belum mengetahui secara pasti. Kami perlu melakukan tes penunjang untuk mengetahui bagaimana selanjutnya.
Ya tapi bagaimana Bapak? Saya nggak ada uang, Pak. Saya cuma buruh bangunan.
Tenang Pak, sekarang kan pemerintah udah nyediain BPJS, jadi insya Allah semuanya bakal baik-baik aja Pak.
Ya, Bapak Farel, setelah melakukan tes penunjang, Bapak dinyatakan mengidap kanker kolon stadium 3. Untuk Bapak dianjurkan untuk melakukan operasi pengangkatan jaringan dalam waktu dekat ini, Pak, supaya sel kankernya tidak menyebar.
Ya udah, baik Pak. Lakukan yang terbaik saja. Tapi saya nggak ada biaya, Pak. Nggak apa.
Bapak Farel tenang aja, Pak ya. Biaya pengobatannya sudah ditanggung oleh pemerintah. Jadi sekarang yang perlu Bapak lakukan, kita sama-sama berdoa, Pak, supaya operasinya lancar.
Halo, Bu. Iya, bisa ke rumah sakit sekarang juga? Iya, ada yang harus diwawancara. Nanti bawa aja di belakang Malaysia sama anak-anak aja. Yang cepat ya.
Ayo anak-anak, ibu ayo cepetan.
Bapak mana?
Bapak, kenapa Bapak?
Ya, jadi gini ya, Bu. Bulan Syah, anak-anak. Kata dokternya, Bapak harus dioperasi.
Operasi?
Operasi apa, Pak?
Kenapa?
Kalau jadi kata dokternya, Bapak kena kanker kolon.
Bisa lu.
Tenang dulu, pasien akan kami segera tangani. Siap.
Dok, pasien pingsan dan sepertinya sudah tidak ada denyut nadi. Dia butuh RCP sekarang juga.
I swear to fulfill to the best of my ability and judgment this covenant.
I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow.
I will apply, for the benefit of the sick, all measures which are required, avoiding those twin traps of overtreatment and therapeutic nihilism.
I will remember that there is art to medicine as well as science, and the warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug.
I will not be ashamed to say I know not, nor will I fall to calling my colleagues when the skill of another are needed for a patient's recovery.
I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me that the world may know. Most especially must I tread with care in matters of life and death. If it is given to me to save a life, all thanks.
But it may also be within my power to take a life. This awesome responsibility must be faced with great humbleness and awareness of my own frailty. Above all, I must not play at God.
I will remember that I do not treat a fevered cat, a cancerous growth, but as a human being whose illness may affect the person's family and economic stability. My responsibility includes these related problems if I am to care adequately to the sick.
I will prevent disease whenever I can, for prevention is preferable to cure. I will remember that I remain a member of society with special obligations to all my fellow human beings, those sound of mind and body as well as the infirm.
If I do not violate this oath, may I enjoy life and art, respect it while I live, and remember with affection thereafter. May I always act so as to preserve the finest tradition of my calling, and may I long experience the joy of healing those who seek my help.